Hello, students. Welcome to the next lesson of Business Studies. Today, we are going to start with another chapter, Chapter 4 Planning. So, just a quick reminder from Chapter 1 there are 5 functions of management, out of which the first one is planning. So, this chapter is all about planning. First of all, let me explain to you the meaning of planning. So, all organizations, whether it's a government, a private, or a small business, require planning. In order to do any work, we need to think about it beforehand to decide what to do, how to do, and when to do. The businessman does planning. Planning can be defined as thinking in advance what to be done, when it is to be done, and how it is to be done, and by whom it should be done. In simple words, we can say planning bridges the gap between where we are standing today and where we want to reach. By seeing this diagram, you can easily understand that the difference between the present position where you are in now and the future situation is planning. Without planning, a businessman cannot think about achieving his target in the organization. Let us now move to some of the features or nature or characteristics of planning. Planning contributes to objectives. First of all, we need to think about the main objective of the business. After setting up the objective, planning helps us in deciding the methods, procedures, and steps to be taken for achievement of the objective. Number 2 is planning is a primary function of management. Primary means first. So, planning is the primary or the first function of management performed by every manager. No other functions can be executed by the manager without performing planning function because objectives are set up in planning and other functions depend upon the objectives only. Number 3 is pervasive. Pervasive means common or general. So, planning is said to be pervasive because it is required at all levels of the management and in all types of organizations. It is not a function restricted to top level managers only, but planning is done by managers at every level. Number 4 is planning is continuous. Planning is a never ending or a continuous process because after making plans, also one has to be in touch with the changes in the changing environment. So, after making plans, also planners keep making changes in the plans according to the requirement of the company. Number 5 is planning is futuristic or forward looking. Planning always means looking ahead or planning is a futuristic function. Planning is never done for the past but it is done for the future. All the managers try to make predictions and assumptions for the future and accordingly make the plan. And the last one is planning is a mental exercise. It is a mental exercise. Planning is a mental process which requires high thinking. In planning, assumptions and predictions regarding future are made by scanning the environment properly. This activity requires higher level of intelligence.